Come on, step here. Step here.
You guys do know the meaning of politics.
Yes, I know, but the bill is don't affect us.
You are just like because you are inside. Should you move out?
They are blocked there. You know that this has eaten money. Money from those people. Eaten money from people.
We want our land.
But you first
I want to make my English very clear. Someone who says humbly and request their we humbly request you.
Is here. Immediately after here.
Come on, get the ball.
Step here.
Madam, get her.
Down there. Let her go. Why should you?
Extend.
I cannot. It is okay.
What about this one?
Listen, you come. Listen.
This one.
I know you understand. Listen. Yangu. You come. David,
People are having problems of blood.
Yes.
You are there arresting us when we are doing an over
Do you think what has all of us?
The whole world know that you cannot steal hospital land and you go free.
Yes.
Justice gave us the land. Who are you to get up and grab it? We are against land grabbers. Jinja Hospital, oh yeah! Land grabbers, Z! No land, no work!
Naffe tugenda kwakalunga abasoga ate ffe abakunoonyeza akalulu ejjinja eno twagala ttaka lyaffe twagala ttaka bagenda tuzimbira kirimu omulembe kansa unit gome kubonaabonera ebi
Ettaka lyaffe tulikulyenda mutuwa ettaka lyaife lwaki mutuyiba abasiraamu tuwa ettaka.
Staff wanted to have a peaceful demonstration over that land which is contested between Uganda Muslim Stream Council and Uganda Land Commission. They are not satisfied with what is going on. But the situation is being put under control. There is a security meeting which is going on right now at the RCC's office. And after that meeting, I think we shall be able to make a statement. They wanted to arrest the situation and they fired tear gas. But I saw the DPC stop them immediately. That's why we are still studying it, but I'm seeing there's still some situation of unrest in the hospital. But we are trying to ensure, first of all, that the hospital property is safe, our staff are safe, and the patients are safe as this issue is being sorted out. I have heard that some 5, I've heard that some staff have been arrested by the police, but we are going to intervene and see how that thing is solved because it will escalate the situation. We hope that we are going to sit down with the authorities and see how we amicably solve this issue. But
As we are here, I am sending the DPC to release those people.
Museveni twagala kutuddiza byaffe ettaka lyaffe mulituwe ettaka tulikulyenda twenda blood bank twenda heart institute twenda buli kimu abakazi basula wansi ebitanda tibimala tulikwenda byaffe abaganda babaddiza ebyaffe naye twagala byaffe Museveni twagala byaffe.
Anyone who has been arrested is going to be released. DPC has already been sent to release those who are there. I want to give us the program. I have brought members of the City Security Committee, led by the RCC. They are here. I'm going to welcome them. After that, I will ask the staff representative. I know you have a leader who is going to speak on your behalf. After that, there is already security committee decision that has been taken. The chairman of the City Security Committee, RCC, is going to communicate to you what exactly they are doing about this matter. We want to share. I think as far as the top management of this hospital is concerned, Mr. RCC, RPC and all the others, you know what we have been doing. We have been working with you on this issue, but the staff decided to approach it from this angle. They have some issues to raise. I would like to get down and invite their team leader to say what the staff have. And then after that, the chairperson of the security committee will address us, and I believe he is going to speak to the issues.
Why we shall not work? Where are the speakers? Where are the culprits? Are they here? No. If they are not here, we are not going to work unless the wall is down. Address them as well.
Some of us have been here long enough to see part of the hospital land grabbed and nothing is done.
Yes.
As you stand here, if you see that side, there is a big bar.
Yes.
Sometime back it was the mental health unit.
Yes.
But now it's no more.
It's a bar.
That is only beneficial to a few. We tried to rescue land in Nalufenya. We are still struggling. This particular one time men came shouting some slogans and began erecting a fence. We went to court, the fence was stopped. Until the case was disposed of, the land was declared ours, and those who were against us were told to pay. We don't know what happened on that particular day. An honorable member of the executive of Uganda, we hear he pronounced that it is given to a certain sector. That was followed by a rapid construction of the fence. We as the staff trust our leaders. So we allowed them to do what they could, communicate with different levels. When we saw the wall going up and very fast and the material being poured in the night, we felt there's something very fishy about this. We decided as the staff and the well-wishers of this whole region of Busoga to make a statement. Yes. And our statement is non-violent. We requested for permission.
You refuse to give us.
To walk peacefully in the city that we love so much, to let everybody know that the land onto which the Heart Institute will be constructed, the land onto which the blood bank will be constructed, the land onto which the cancer institute will be constructed is being taken away. Next time, if anything happens to Jinja Regional Referral Hospital or any other government institute, don't wait, because you are the law enforcing officer. If you stay, unruliness takes over. And for those here, okay. Hey. No work. Land grabbing Z. No land. No work. No land. No work. Let us sing our national anthem. Yes. Yes. Mr. Miracle.
In thy hands. No one else might do it, because remember, they are members of the public who are also charged. Are you getting me? Yes. The doctors might not do it, but the members of the public who are concerned with this matter can go and attack those people. So it becomes a security matter. So when we learn that something is supposed to turn into violence as security, we take charge. So we have decided that in the meantime, there is a meeting in Kampala on Wednesday. I'm giving information. There is a court order which has come out. There is a court order which has come out. It is passing through the legal procedures. IGP to clear it and all that. We are waiting for it. But in the meantime, the RPC and the DPC security, even the brigade commander was here. They have taken charge of that place. No one is supposed to use that place until no stepping on that place until we have until further notice. Our leaders Ddwaaliro barwanira Abasawo Ddwaliro Uganda Land Commission twalabye wagenda kubawo okulwanagana ate n'abasawo baganye kukola abalwadde baffe. So security committee ya city nesarawo nti Ttaka libere mu mikono lya city ya city security committee. Security committee abakiturako bangi mayor, town clerk, RCC, DPC, mayor fena tutulako fena bangi. So tusaze Ttaka libere mu mikono gyaffe, police egenda kukuma wao n'amagye egenda kukuma Ttaka eryo tewali asana kugendawo because abala Uganda Land Commission babirimu minister president abirimu ndero ichona libukadaga kati bayise ne meeting wokusatu ku nsonga eno ezokozoke zigwe bulungi ekoti order basikiba clearing bulungi security tugenda kusalawo naye kati Ttaka liri mu mikono gya security. So atukanye n'abasawo badeyo bagende bakole ate nabadde babakute abadde demonstrating amuchamu twagambi babate badde ku mirimu yabwe ate babatadde abasawo badde bakute abadde bagenda ku demonstrating. Court order yo etekwa kuyitira mu mitendera yayo tuzoka tujimplementing engugu eyogera. The controversy at hand is now handled by security. Security has taken over that place until when our leaders have sorted out this. For now, we have agreed with the hospital people, the hospital leaders, the hospital administration, that the doctors, the nurses and the staff can resume their work. And then the RPC and the DPC, they have taken charge of that land at conflict. Now, number two, there is a court order which was issued by High Court Registrar, but it cannot be implemented if it has not been cleared by the IGP. So we have agreed that let the court order pass through the clear process of the legal process, and then we can always act. But for now, everyone must be at peace, everyone must resume their work. But the truth is, the doctors had put down their tools. There was no work being done since morning, and this can cause chaos in the whole of the Soga. So we are working together with the Minister for Presidency, working together with the Ministry of Lands. We are working